In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote using our platform. This guide is designed to help you navigate through the process with ease and confidence, ensuring that you make the most out of our system's features. First, you'll want to navigate to the quotes section of our platform. To get there, you'll begin by focusing on the Sales tab, which you can find right in your main navigation menu. The Sales tab is your gateway to accessing a variety of tools designed to support your sales operations, so it's worth getting familiar with this area. Once you've located and clicked the Sales tab, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to want to click on the option labeled Commerce. Selecting Commerce is crucial, as it leads you directly to the Quotes section, our point of focus for today. Now, in the Quotes section, you'll see an option to create a new quote. Look for the button labeled Create Quote. This is your starting point for making a new quote. Clicking it will set you on the right path. You'll be prompted with a choice to either associate this new quote with an existing deal or to create a new deal altogether. If you already have a deal in progress, linking the quote to it can streamline your workflow and keep everything conveniently organized. But if you're starting from scratch or exploring a new opportunity, opting to create a new deal might be the way to go. Next, you have the task of selecting a quote template. Our platform offers a variety of templates tailored to different needs and preferences, ensuring your quote not only fulfills its purpose, but also aligns with your brand's voice and aesthetic. Spend some time exploring these options until you find one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to fill in the necessary details. Start by giving your quote a name. A specific and descriptive title can help you keep track of it easily as your database grows. Additionally, setting an expiration date for your quote is an important step. This not only adds a professional touch, but also helps manage expectations and timelines with your potential client. It's a small detail, but it can significantly impact the effectiveness of your sales process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a quote within our system. Taking the time to get comfortable with these steps will boost your efficiency and help you take full advantage of our streamlined tools. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance or to explore additional resources available to you.